Students, welcome you all. My name is Parul Gupta, your computer teacher. So as you all know that students that we have already completed with our chapter 2, that is introduction to MS Access. So now I believe that you all know what is Access, what is database, how we can means work on MS Access. This I think you all aware. So now in this particular chapter we're going to discuss more about MS Access. Okay, so now I think you all know how to create tables in MS Access, because in chapter 2 we have already discussed about that in MS Access the data has been stored in the form of tables and we can easily access our data whenever it has been required. So now in this chapter, okay, like in our chapter 3, the name of this chapter is more about MS Access. So basically in this chapter, student, we're going to discuss more about MS Access. First of all, the topic that what I'm going to cover in this chapter is query, how we can create a query from the database table. Okay, so let's start with our chapter 3, that is more about MS Access. First of all, we're going to discuss the topics that what I'm going to cover in this video session. So let's have a look. Yes, so these are the topics, students, that what I'm going to cover in our today's video session. First is what is query, creating a query on a single table, setting a relationship between tables, deleting a relationship. Okay, so these are the topics that what I'm going to cover in this video session. So now I shall start with my first topic, that is what is query. Okay, like before this slide also I have told you that now we're going to discuss with the first topic, that is query. So now we shall start that what is the meaning of this query in this database or in MS Access. Okay, so let's have a look that what is query. A query is a database object which allows you to display specific records from a table. Okay, like in a table there are so many fields. Okay, because in my last video I've shown you the table created in a database, how we can create a table. In that table we have created so many fields and so many you can say the records has been there. So from that particular table, if we want to display only a specific record, just example, like suppose in my table there are 7 columns and 8 rows. Okay, so out of those 7 columns I need only 2 columns and 2 or 3 number of rows. Okay, so that means what I want a specific data from that particular table. That is the meaning of query in MS Access. What is query? That is written here. A query is a database object which allows you to display specific records from a table. Like in a table I have told you that there are so many fields and so many rows, or you can say the number of records are there. So out of those table, if we want a specific amount of a record, okay, so that will be termed as a query in MS Access. Okay, or an object that shows selective data from a table. For example, we have a database table that contains the results of all students from class 1 to 12. Like what is written here in the example, that suppose if we have created a table, okay, and in that table it contain the record of these students from class 1 to 12, means उस table में class 1 से लेकर class 12 तक के students का record है, ठीक है, and we want to view the record of only those students who have scored more than 90% or more, ठीक है. So out of that table means the table that contains the record of 1 to 12 from class 1 to class 12 students record is there. So out of those records I want only the record of those students who have scored 90% or more. Okay, so that I want. So the extracted record will be stored in a separate table known as query table. तो वो जो आप extracted record जो आप अपना record चाहते हो कि उस table में से सिर्फ उन बच्चों का रिकॉर्ड दिखे जिनके मार्क्स 90 या 90 से ज़्यादा है, सो दैट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ सिलेक्टिव रिकॉर्ड, और यू कैन से एक्सट्रैक्टेड रिकॉर्ड. ओके, क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने उस टेबल से अपने डेटा को एक्सट्रैक्ट किया है, ठीक है. सो दैट विल बी स्टोर्ड इन अ सेपरेट टेबल एंड दैट टेबल इज नोन एज द क्वेरी टेबल, ठीक है. तो जब आप एक स्पेसिफिक टेबल में से कुछ सिलेक्टिव डेटा आप सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो और उसको एक पर्टिकुलर टेबल में शो कर रहे हो, दैट टेबल विल बी नोन एज द क्वेरी टेबल इन टर्म्स ऑफ MS Access. Okay, so this is about what is query in MS Access. Okay, So now the next topic is how we can create a query in MS Access, that we're going to discuss. Okay. Yes, so this is our next topic, that is creating a query on a single table. Like one table is there and out of that table, okay, if we want to create a query in MS Access, so how we can do that, let's have a look. Like as you can see here, the first point, open the required database and click on the create tab. First of all, you have to open the database, means you have to open the application, that is MS Access. Okay, then open the database, because if you have already created a table, so your table must be saved with some name. Okay, so in the queries group, click on the query wizard button. जैसे ही आप अपने एप्लीकेशन ओपन कर लोगे तो ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द मेन्यू बार यू विल गेट वन टैब, दैट इज द which tab, create tab. Okay, like first point is written, open the required database and click on the create tab. So the moment when you click on the create tab, okay, after that in the ribbon you will able to see the queries group. Okay, जैसे ही आप क्रिएट टैब पे क्लिक करोगे, आपको नीचे फील्ड में उसे कहते हैं रिबन, उस पर आपको कौन सी फील्ड मिलेगी, दैट इज क्वेरीज ग्रुप. यू हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक, देन इन द क्वेरीज ग्रुप यू विल गेट एन ऑप्शन, दैट इज क्वेरी विजार्ड बटन. ठीक है, तो क्वेरी ग्रुप में आपको एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज क्वेरी विजार्ड बटन. सो जस्ट क्लिक. So the moment when you click on the query wizard button, the new query dialog window will open. जैसे आप उसको क्लिक कर दोगे, आपको query window dialog एक open हो जाएगा, dialog box open हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so in that dialog box, select the simple query wizard option and click on the OK button. So the moment when your dialog box will open, in that dialog box you will get one option, that is simple query wizard. You have to just select that option and then click on the OK button. Okay, then click on the tables query drop down arrow and select the table you want your query from the drop down list. जैसे ही आप अपना simple query wizard button पे click करोगे, then in the next field you will get an option for selecting or clicking the table. So आपको वहाँ पे अपना वो table select करना है जिस table से आप वो query generate करना चाहते हो. ठीक है, so click on the table queries drop down list and select the table you want your query from the drop down list. Select the field from the available fields selection or section and click on this button to transfer into the selected field section. जैसे ही आप उस टेबल पर क्लिक करोगे, उस टेबल में जितनी भी फील्ड्स थी वो आपको शो करेगा. देन वट एवर द फील्ड्स यू वांट, ओके, मीन्स कि वो आपको सेपरेट टेबल में शो हो. So you have to just select that field and then click on this button, okay, this angle button, you will able to see that in the bracket, okay, to transfer into the selected field. So whatever the fields you will going to select or you wanted to appear in the selected field table, so just select the field and then click on this button, then your field has been transferred into the selected field section. Okay, after this I'm going to show you practically how we can create a query from a single table so that it would be more clear to you. Okay children? Yes students, so now I'm going to show you how we can create a query from a single table. So as you can see here that I have created one table and this is the name of the table, that is table 1. Okay, so how many fields are there in this particular table? There are total 5 fields are there, right? First field is roll number, second field is student name, third field is maths, fourth field is English and the fifth field is IT. Okay, so this complete is what, it's a record. Okay, means roll number 1, the name of the roll number 1 is Deepak and he scored 89 in maths and 85 in English, then 92 in IT. Similarly, this is my second record. Okay, the roll number is 2, the name is Shamita, then the marks scored in maths, English and IT, as you can see here. Then again this is my third record, then this is my fourth record and this is my fifth record, right? So as you can see here that this is my fifth record. So this is basically my first table, a single table, and the name of this table is table 1. So now I'm going to show you how we can create a query from this table. So as I told you, have to just open the database. Just right now I've opened in front of you, then go to which tab, that is create tab. Okay, so once I click on the create tab, this is the queries group, and in the queries group I'm getting a query wizard option. So I just need to select. So this dialog box will open, so I have to select the option that is simple query wizard. So it's already been selected, so I have to just click OK. So now it's asked me for the table queries, as only one single table I have created in this database, and it automatically shows that as table 1. Okay, so the field that what I want to view, means, or I want to transfer into the selected field. So I have selected first ID and then click on this, so it has been transferred. Similarly, I want field 1 also, then I have just selected and then transferred. Okay, so basically you just need to select the field and then click on this, so that that selected field will send to the next table, that is my query table. So I have selected only these two fields. First is ID and the second is, what is second one, that is field 1. Then I'm selecting field 2 also, so it has been transferred now. Okay, so then click next, then open the query to view information. Of course I want, so then just click finish, and this is my query table. As you can see, how many fields I have selected? ID, field 1 and field 2, and same it's getting ID, field 1, field 2. Okay, ID automatically it takes, then field 1 is my roll number and field 2 is the student name. Okay, so this is the way that how we can create a query table from a single table, okay, in the database. So I hope this has been clear to you, that how we can create a query from a single table. So I believe now there will be a no confusion. Okay, like this is my table 1 and I have selected this, and this is my table 1, that is query, because this is my query table and it shows only the selected data, that whatever I have selected, and this is my complete table, that is table 1. So this is all about creating a query on a single table. Like just now I have shown you how we can create a query on a single table. Practically I have shown you that from a single table I have created a query. Whatever the fields are selected, that has been shown separately, or you can say in a different table, that is the query table. That is what written here, that open the required database and click on the create tab. First of all, open the database and then go to the create tab. Okay, click it over there. Then in the queries group, click on the query wizard button. The new query dialog window will open. Select the simple query wizard, that what I have did, and click on the OK button. Then click on the tables query drop down arrow and select the table you want your query from the drop down list. As in my this previous just now I have shown you, in that I have created only one table, that is the table 1. So by default it takes table 1 only. So select the field from the available fields. So then after that it shows the number of fields available in that table 1. So whatever the fields I want, means that has to be displayed in a separate table. Just select those field and click on this button. So that field has been transferred to the selected field section, and it will be shown separately in a separate query table. Okay, so now I hope this has been clear to you. So now come to our next topic, that is setting a relationship between tables. Now between tables, now here we are not talking about one single table, we are talking about more than one table. Okay, so when we link one table to the other's table, okay, based on the primary key, it is called a setting a relationship. So like here, if we want to link one table to another table, then in those table we are checking which field is common, or you can say the unique, okay, based on the primary key. What is primary key? As we have discussed in our previous chapter, that uniquely identifies a record in a table. So after this I'm going to show you that I have created two tables, and then how I build a relationship between those two tables. For building a relationship, we just need our primary key, that is to be there in both the tables. So once I link both the table, then it is called as a setting a relationship between table. That is what written here, that when we link one table to other tables based on the primary key, it is called a setting a relationship. जैसे ही मैं एक टेबल को दूसरे टेबल से कनेक्ट करूंगी, बट द कनेक्शन बिटवीन दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन द प्राइमरी की, then it is called a setting a relationship. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how we can build a relationship between two tables. Like as you can see here, that this is my database. Okay, so this is my table 1. As you know that this is the selected field. Let me show you that this is my table 1. This table 1 contain ID, then field 1, then field 2, then field 3, field 4, field 5. Okay, first field 1 contains roll number, then second field 2 contains student name, then field 3 contain maths, then field 4 contain English, and field 5 contain IT. Okay, now I'm going to show you my table 2. This is my table 2. This is again ID, which is common, then field 1, then field 2, then field 3, and then field 4. Field 1 contains the roll number, then field 2 contains the father's name, field 3 contains mother's name, and field 4 contains address. And these are what? These are the one second, these are the records. Okay, this is my first record, that is roll number 1. The father's name is Ramkishan, then mother's name is Rekha, and then this is the address. Similarly, this is my record 2, then record 3, okay, then record 4 and record 5. Okay, so these are the records that what I have created in the database. As you can see here that both the tables I have created. So now I want to build a relationship. For that I have to go to which tab? That is database tool tab. So in the database tool tab I am getting this option, that is relationship group. Okay, so this is my relationship group. So in this relationship group I am getting this option, that is relationship. So you just need to go to, first of all, click on this database tool tab, then go to this relationship group and then select relationship. So like this, that what I have created. So it shows my first table 1, then table 2. As you can see here, both the field, that ID and this key is there, right? So that means these are what? This is my primary key. Primary key means which uniquely identifies our record in a table. So as you can see here, okay, so this is how we can build a relationship between two tables. So once it has been built, it shows like this way. Okay, clear? So now this has been clear to you. Now I think you all know how we can build a relationship between the two tables, but the relationship between two tables has been based on the primary key. That is what written here, that what I have shown you. Okay, that is what written here, that when we link one table to the other table based on the primary key, it is called setting a relationship. Clear? So now I hope this has been clear how we can build a relationship. We just need to find out the primary key and then we just need to link, and then that is called as a relationship between the tables. Okay. Yes, so now we shall discuss with our next topic, that is deleting a relationship. Like earlier we have talked about how we can build a relationship between two tables. So now if we want to delete the relationship, so how we can do that? That we're going to discuss now. Open the database where you have defined the relationship. Click on the database tool tab. In the relationship groups, click on the relationship button. The relationship window will open, displaying the link tables. Okay, like suppose if the link is not open, then how we can open that? Open the database where you have defined the relationship. Click on the database tool, then in the relationship group, click on the relationship button. The relationship window will open, displaying the link table. जैसे ही आप database tool tab में जाओगे, then in the relationship group में, when you click on this relationship button, then the relationship window will open, and उसमें क्या होगा? दोनों tables आपके linked होंगे with that particular line, that what I have shown you. Okay, so bring the mouse pointer on the लिंकिंग लाइन, अपने माउस पॉइंटर को उस पर्टिकुलर लाइन पे लेके जाइए, एंड देन राइट क्लिक फ्रॉम द शॉर्टकट मेन्यू, चूज द डिलीट ऑप्शन. जैसे ही आप राइट क्लिक करोगे माउस से, your shortcut menu will appear, and in that shortcut menu we are getting an option of this, that is delete option. Okay, then click on the yes button and relationship will get deleted. जैसे ही आप yes पे क्लिक कर दोगे, आपके पास एक prompt आएगा that do you want to delete, and if you click yes, so that linked line will get removed. So this is how we can delete a relationship, that what we have built. Okay, so I think this is as simple, right? So with this we're going to finish with the today's session. So whatever we have discussed in today's session, that what is query, how we can create a query from a single table, how we can build a relationship between two tables, then how we can delete a relationship, just go through all the topics that what we have discussed in today's video session. Okay, so then in next video we're going to discuss few more topics of this chapter. Clear?